Hello guys, this is the first lesson of the chapter 4. As I told you from the first lesson, this lesson which is called Guide to Study, I told you that we will start from the second course. So the second course starts with chapter 4, and chapter 4 all about polynomial function. So the first lesson just about an introduction to polynomials. But at the first, what is polynomial mean? Polynomial are algebraic expression that consists of variable and coefficient. Just consists of variable and coefficient. Look at here. Variable, it means x, and coefficient, it means this number, which is next to this x. So both variable with this coefficient is called term. This is called term. It means this is the first term, this is the second term, till another operator, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. This is about polynomial. What about polynomial types? We have two types of polynomial. The first type, based on the terms, it can be classified into three types. Based on the term, it can be classified into three types. The first type is monomial, the second type is binomial, the third type is trinomial. At the first, what is monomial mean? What does monomial mean? Look at here. Monomial, it means just if you have a polynomial, just one term. For example, just we have x. For example, just we have x, or just we have 3y, or just we have 49. This is just one term. Monomial, it means one term. I told you term just consists of a variable or a coefficient with a variable or just a number. This is called monomial. What about binomial? Binomial, it means two term. For example, we have x to power 2 plus another term, for example, x, or plus a number. So here we have two term. This is called binomial. What about trinomial? Trinomial, it means three term. Monomial, one term. Binomial, two term. Trinomial, it means three term. So trinomial, for example, we have x to power 3 plus x plus 3. This is called trinomial. Trinomial, it means three term. 1, 2, 3. This is the first type of polynomial. What about the second type? The second type, based on the degree, it can be classified into four type. The first type is about 0. What? Polynomial with the degree of 0. For example, we have 3x to power 0. This is degree. Be careful. I told you based on degree. It means the degree of this variable. Now, x to power 0, it means 1. So 3 times 1, just 3. So polynomial with the degree 0 is equal to the constant. What about linear? Linear, it means a variable with the degree 1. For example, we have 5x to power 1 plus 4. This is called linear. What about quadratic? Quadratic, it means polynomial with the second degree. With the second degree, it means the power of x is 2. For example, x to power 2 plus 5x minus 11. This is called quadratic. Quadratic because the exponent of this x is 2. What about the cubic? Cubic, it means a polynomial with the degree 3, with the third degree. For example, we have 4x to power 3 plus x to power 2 plus 2x plus 3. So here we have the third degree, it means cubic. So polynomial, we have two types of the polynomial. The first type based on the term. First term it's called monomial. Second term it's called binomial. The third term is called trinomial. What about based on the degree? We have 0 degree, it means just a constant. Linear, it means the variable with the first degree. Quadratic, it means the variable with the second degree. Cubic, it means the variable with the third degree. This is all about polynomial. This is an introduction about polynomial. So let's apply on these examples. The first example we have classify each polynomial by degree. Look at here. What is the given? Classify, the question is say classify each polynomial by degree. It means you have to choose the highest degree. So let's choose the highest degree. Where is the highest degree in this polynomial? Here we have 2, 1 and 5. Just look at the degree. 2, 1, 5. So which one is greater? Of course 5. So this polynomial is the degree of 5. What about this question? This questions we have 2x to power 3. Look at here. So at the first just simplify, then you can choose the highest degree. At the first, before we choosing the highest degree, just simplify these terms, because here we have minus 2x to power 3 and 2x to power 3. We have to cancel it, and this is become 2 x 3 x to power 4 plus 5. So this polynomial, we have to say this polynomial is the degree of 4, because the greatest degree is 4. Look at these questions. These questions is the question 15 of your exercise. So let's solve it. This is again, we have to classify it by the degree. Where is the highest degree? The highest degree here, this x with the degree 1, this is with the degree 3. Here we have degree of 5. So this is the polynomial with the degree 5. What about the question number 16? This question, just look at the x. The exponent of this x is 2, 3 and 6. Which one is greater? Of course 6. This polynomial is the degree of 6. This is about the classifying. So what about this example? This example is said find the sum and difference. Here we have to find the sum and difference of this polynomial. So at the first, just you have to combine like terms. It means look at this variable with the same exponent, combine it with each other. Look at here. This is minus 2x to power 2. Do we have another x to power 2? No, we don't have it. So write it again. Minus 2x to power 2. Okay, what about x to power 3? Yeah, we have it. Plus minus 3x to power 3 and minus, here we have x to power 3, x to power 3. Look at here. So combine a like term, minus x to power 3 minus 2x to power 3 plus, here we have x to power 1, x to power 1 again. So 5x to power 5, x to power 1 plus 7x. But don't forget, just look at the sign. Be careful about these signs, okay? And the last one, plus, combine these numbers. 4 minus x. 4 minus x. So let's add and subtract. Put down this minus 2x to power 2 plus, this is minus and minus, minus 3 minus 2. So minus minus, you have to add it with the same sign. Minus, this is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 5x to power 3 plus, what about 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is equal to 12x minus, here 4 minus x is equal to minus 2. Here is our polynomial, but this is not in the general form. In the general form, you have to order it just like with this, based on these exponents. It means write this term, which is the highest exponent, highest degree. The highest degree of this polynomial is 3. It means minus 5x to power 3 minus, then after x to power 3 we have x to power 2. It means this term, but be careful about the sign, minus 2x to power 2 plus 12x minus 2. So this is our solution. Let's find the difference of this question. This is the question of 39 of your exercise. Let's solve this. Look at here. At the first, just share this sign, the negative sign, into this bracket. Share it. Then combine like terms. Combine all terms like the variables. Now, this is 1 minus 5x plus x to power 3. So minus times plus is equal to minus 2x to power 4 minus times plus is equal to minus 5x to power 3 minus times minus is equal to plus 10x to power 2. Then Let's choose with the same exponent. Here just we have 1x to power 4, so write this term at the first, minus 2x to power 4. Then look at the other ones. Here we have, after x to power 4, we have x to power 3 and x to power 3. So plus, combine it, x to power 3 minus 5x to power 3. After x to power 3, we have x to power 2. Look at here, just we have this term. Plus 10x to power 2, sorry. So after x to power 2, we have 1x to power 1, then this constant. It means minus 5 minus 5x to power 1 and plus 1. Let's find this difference. This is equal to minus 2x to power 4. So here we have 1. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4x to power 3 plus 10x to power 2 minus 5x plus 1. So here the answer. This is the answer. Let's solve this question too. This is about a polynomial with a fraction. This is really easy, don't worry, because here we have addition. We don't need to share these positive signs into the bracket. Just find out the variable with the exponent. Look at here. Here we have just 1x to power 3. So write it at the first. 2 over 3 x to power 3. After this, what about x to power 2? Just we have 1x to power 2 again. So write this term here, 5 plus 1 over 3 x to power 2. After this two term, we have this x and this x. So plus 2 over 3x plus 1 over 3x. So just we have one term plus 1 plus 2 over 3. Okay, let's find out the answer. Equal 2 over 3x to power 3 plus 1 over 3x to power 2 plus, here we have the fraction because we have the same denominator, so just add the numerator. The numerator is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. It means this is equal to 3 over 3. It means 1. It means here we have just x plus 1 plus 2 over 3. It means you have to multiply denominator by 3 and numerator by 3. This is equal to 3 over 3. So we have the same denominator. Write it. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this is our answer. X to power 3 to power 2 x, then the constant. This is all about the adding and subtracting polynomial. The last thing that we have it in this lesson is general form. The first of this lesson we talked about general form. General form, it means you have to order the variable with the highest degree. Let's write this question by a general form. It means at the first write this term which is have the highest degree. Here, where is the highest degree? The highest degree, here we have 3, 1, 2. Of course, 3 is the highest degree. It means write 5x to power 3. After 3, we have to put down this term plus 2x to power 2. What about after x to power 2? We have x to power 1. It means this term plus 4x, then put down this number plus 1. This is the general form. In the general form, just order the highest degree to the lowest degree. Let's solve this question too. Where is the highest degree? Here we have 4, 3, 5. So which one is greater? Of course 5. So put down all the term. 3 to power 5, 3 over 5 x to power 5 plus. After 5 we have 4. It means put down this term. This term is 13 over 25 x to power 4. After x to power 4 we have x to power 3. It means 5 over 7. 5 over 7 5 over 7 x to power 3. Where is x to power 2? We don't have it, so just put down this constant plus 1 over 2. This is general form of this polynomial. So this is all about the first lesson. The first thing that we'll learn it, what is polynomial? Polynomial just consists of a variable and coefficient. Then we classified polynomial into 2 types. The first type, based on the term, we have 3 types. Monomial, it means it means just 1 term. Binomial, it means 2 term. And trinomial, it means 3 term. And based on the degree, just it can be classified into 4 types. With the 0 degree, with first degree it means linear, second degree it means quadratic, third degree it means cubic. So all example is about this classifying polynomial by degree. You have to find out the highest degree. Then about find and difference. Find and difference, you have to combine like terms. Just combine these variable which is they has the common degree, then added and subtracted. Then about general form, just order the exponent from the highest to the lowest.